Hello, I'm Maria Cristina M. Gabili and I am the President of SMC Logistic Incorporated Workers Solidarity Union. Our vision is to be leading force in the Philippines logistic industry for worker empowerment, achieving a future wherever SMC logistic employee enjoys premier labor standards, total job security, and a primary role in the company. And our mission is to protect the health and safety of our members through rigorous workplace inspections. Our members at SMC Logistics Incorporated are being pushed to meet grueling delivery timelines that lead to extreme driver fatigue and warehouse exhaustion. This isn't just a labor issue. It is a life and death issue on our highways and our hubs. As a president, I am demanding an immediate reviewing of our shifting schedules and the enforcement of mandatory rest periods. We are human beings, not machine. I call on every one of you to stand with the union as we demand the safety we deserve. Safety today, so the solidarity forever.